When people think of home theater, they think of giant TVs, dark rooms, and complicated setups. But what if I told you this entire cinematic experience fits in one sleek projector? I'm here at CES 2026 and JMGO is showing how home cinema is becoming simpler, smarter, and more immersive. So here is the big question. Can a projector really replace your living room TV in 2026? JMGO specializes in high-quality home cinema projectors. They combine true resolution, immersive sound powered by Dolby Audio, and clean, modern design that actually looks good in your living room. These aren't conference room projectors. They're built specifically for home theater. What immediately stands out here at the JMGO booth is how fast and effortless everything feels. You power it on, it autofocuses, autocorrects the image, and adapts to your space almost instantly. You don't need to be a home theater expert. It just works. JMGO puts a big emphasis on true resolution and color accuracy, so what you see on the screen looks the way the content was intended. With Dolby Audio built in, you're getting immersive sound without immediately needing external speakers. Another thing I appreciate is that JMGO designs these to be seen. They don't feel like tech that you need to hide. They actually fit into modern living rooms. The O2S Ultra. This is where things get really interesting. The O2S Ultra is an ultra short throw projector. It's a tri-laser projector. It has an industry-leading 0.16 to 1 throw ratio. That means you can project a massive 100-inch display to 120-inch image from just inches away. That is literally right here against the wall. Perfect for living rooms where traditional projector setups are just not practical. And then at the heart of the O2S Ultra is the JMGO's MALC 3.0 triple laser optical system, designed to be balanced brightness, color, as well as contrast. You're getting 3,600 ISO lumens, a 4,000 to 1 native contrast ratio, and a 110% BT dot 2020 color gamut. The results are bright cinematic images with darker blacks, richer colors, smooth radiance, and even in real-world rooms. The O2S Ultra runs the latest Google TV with Netflix built in. No external streaming devices. Everything is right here, optimized for projection. JMGO has also simplified the settings and dashboard, making it easy to fine-tune picture as well as sound. So why is the O2S Ultra very different? Well, it separates the O2S Ultra is that it is designed as a true TV replacement. You get a massive screen, premium laser image quality, and a setup that works in everyday living spaces, not just for dedicated theater rooms. Meet the N3 Ultimate. This is scheduled to launch later in 2026. It's a high brightness 4K laser projector rated at 5,800 ISO lumens. Features a motorized gimbal, lossless optical zoom, and an optical lens shift. Let me go ahead and show you the gimbal. So you can see how it's currently moving. And to kind of demonstrate that, they did show us this here. So if I do this, I can actually move it up, move it down, move it left, right. And it kind of shows you how much it can actually move. And that is the first, the none less to say. So the version shown here at CES is actually a prototype, and the final retail model may differ just a little bit, but it does give you a clear look at where JMGO is headed next. So can a projector replace a TV? If you care about screen size, immersion, and flexibility, JMGO makes a strong case, especially with that O2S Ultra. This is home cinema without the headache. If you want to see more from JMGO, including deeper looks at upcoming products, let me know down in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next CES video. Take care, guys. Bye.